In this tutorial, we will look at how to create a simple map in Strategy Finder. To create a new map, click on New SF Model button on the right. It will open a blank page where you can start adding concepts. To add a concept, double-click on the map where you want to add it, then type in the text and click Enter. If you want to move the concept, grab it and drag it with your mouse. You can see that by default all concepts are numbered consecutively. This helps with the analysis further on. I'll add another concept. To link two concepts, hover over the number of the concepts from where the link originates and drag the arrow to the left of the mouse button towards the concept where the link leads to. To reverse the direction of the arrow, right-click on the gray circle in the middle of the arrow and choose Change Direction. You can also delete the link or add a negative toggle from this menu. To remove a concept, right-click on it and choose Delete Statement. There is no Undo button, but you can find deleted concepts by clicking on the icon with the magnifying glass on top left corner and select Deleted Concepts. Here you can find the concept that you have deleted and reverse the action. To edit a concept, double-click on the concept, change the text and click Enter. When you've created a map, you can hide the number if you like, if it might help with the readability when you present it to the users. To do that, click on the icon with the map in the top and select Hide Numbers from the drop-down menu. When your map grows, it might be difficult sometimes to find concepts. To search for a concept, type in the search field in the top for a word that you're looking for. And you will see the list of the concepts that include this word. If you click on the concept, it will be highlighted on the model so that you can find it easily. To rename the map, click on the SF icon in the top and select the icon with 3 squares and a pencil in the drop menu. There is no need to save the map, it's done automatically as soon as you make any changes. To share your map with other users, you can do it either through the same small menu, right here, or you can do it from the main dashboard. If you click on the 3 dots to the right of the map, you can either edit model users and add existing users, right here, or you can invite new users and send invitations to those who don't have an account yet. And this is how you create your first map.